In this video, I'll show you how to make an ATS Friendly Resume with Claude AI. Most companies use ATS software to scan resumes before a recruiter reads them. First, open Claude AI in your web browser. Paste your ATS resume prompt into the chat. Below the prompt, add your personal information. Include your name, job title, contact details, work experience, education, skills, and certifications. The more accurate information you provide, the better your resume will be. Click Send. Wait while Claude AI generates your resume. Review the resume carefully. Make sure all the information is correct. If you want to change anything, type your request and let Claude AI update the resume. When you are satisfied with the final version, click Download or copy the resume into your preferred document editor. That's it. This is how you can create an ATS-friendly resume using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.